Hi everyone, welcome back to Tanya to Guide. So if you're watching my channel for the first time, like, share and subscribe and don't forget to click on the bell icon. So let's get started into the video. So today I'm going to tell you a Flappy Bird game. So for that, I'm taking a new sprite. I'm deleting this sprite which is there here. Now click on the new sprite. I'm just selecting the cat one, flying. So click on OK. So put it on somewhere here. Now create your own sprite. I'm just creating an obstacle. Okay, so you just have to create your own obstacle. For that, I'm doing this. Okay, so now what we need to do is now click on the rectangle symbol. Here you are getting a lot of icons, right? This is a brush. This is a line. So I'm just selecting the rectangles. Just select it. See here, initially you have to draw an image like this, or if you don't need this, just undo that. Or if you want some black color, select the black color. Okay, yeah. Just you can use the eraser also if you wanted to erase. Fine, everyone. Yeah, this is to fill color. This is the eraser. Just erase it. Now come back to the rectangle and select the pencil. Now I'm just drawing an obstacle. This is create your own obstacle. Okay, this is the obstacle. Now draw from the down to the same obstacle. Okay, yeah. Now draw some edges for this. Draw the same edges for that. Now paint it. Some green color. Color it. Yeah. Just paint it. Just using red. Yeah, so now let's come to the scripts part. This is actually where the coding part is included. So now I'm just using it over here. Okay, so suppose this is an obstacle, it has to move to the left side. Okay, now take a green flag. This is like a signal to start. Okay, so now make it, I just initially wanted to make it hide. So yeah. When you click on hide, it is not there, right? So don't get confused, don't get scared or anything. You can get it back either using show. Okay, but here again it is not coming because see it is beyond the edge. Okay, but suppose if I remove this, if it is hide. Okay. So now use this if on edge bounds. Still, if you don't get it, okay, because you don't get it is in hide only. So now use an option show. Now you'll get it. Oh, the size and the way it is appearing is changed. Now what should we do to get it back? Now use this set rotation style left to right. So it will be in the same position. Okay. So now I'm just showing you all this because being a kid, okay, being a kid of some 12 or 10 years, 6 to 7 years, you wanted to experiment it. So you'll definitely do it. Now you will definitely do it. That what happens if I don't do that? Okay. That is the reason I'm just showing all these commands. Okay. So otherwise I won't show all these. Now I just wanted to make my obstacle to move. Like where should I move my obstacle? It should move like, it should move from here to here. Okay. Okay. So for that I need glide. Now, if you put your position to certain here, now come to the motion block, you can see go to, right? The values of go to are updating. So now just take the go to. Now, I just wanted to show after for some time. So take the show command and I just wanted to make it glide from here to here. Okay, so if you go to the motion block, the values of the glide is initially changing. If you put it here, okay, if you put here, the values are again changing of the go to. Okay, now see here, I'm just taking here, go to is 62. Now it will change. Okay, from here to it has to glide from here to here. For that, take the glide option. But I just wanted to insert that within the forever. So it has to move repeatedly. Okay, before moving, initially it is in hide, right? So now I just wanted to make it show. So for that, come to the show block and attach it. If you won't do like that, let's see what is happening here. It is in hide position only. You won't see that. So put it show. Now see, it will appear. Okay. Now click on the flag. It will see how fast it is moving. Yeah, it is moving, but the thing is, it got stuck there, right? Now, if you wanted to repeat, it should again come back to the position. What should we do now? Think. It should hide it again. I'm just using the hide block again. Now, after that, I just wanted to change the color effect. Change color effect. Next, again, what should I need? I just wanted to get it to the back position, okay? For that, I am using the command called go to again. Just duplicate this. Now attach this. Okay, now see. Okay, so this is just an obstacle creation. If you wanted to make your cat small, use the shrink option, just decrease the size so that it can move within the space very fast. Okay, so now this obstacle is looking like the cat is flying there and the obstacle is moving. Okay, so this is the fourth part of one. See how it is moving. Each and every time it is just changing the color. Whenever I click on the red color one, it is returning back to its original color. Fine. See here. It came to the green color again. Now see. It is just changing its colors. Okay. Now this is just a part 1 tutorial of a Flappy Bird game. If you wanted to make any kind of extra changes, you can do it. So, and also this is a level 1 game. If you wanted to make it a big code or something, I'll tell you in the next part. Okay. Yeah. So I hope everyone enjoyed this part 1. So I hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you.